Web Accessibility Checklist Part 5. Welcome to the fifth part of our handy website accessibility checklist, helping every website owner and designer to improve the accessibility levels of their website with a minimal effort. The following tips will improve your website SEO drastically. Checklist item number 9. Mobile responsiveness. Optimize your website for mobile devices to ensure smooth navigation and readability on smaller screens. Test and optimize the user experience across various mobile devices and different browsers. Checklist item number 10. Skip navigation links. Implement skip navigation links that allows users to jump directly to the main menu and to the main content. It will improve the browsing experience for keyboard navigators and screen reader users. Or you can simply use the keyboard navigation and screen reader adjustment functions in EqualWeb's Auto AI widget that will add a permanent shortcut menu to the top of the website, allowing quick and efficient keyboard navigation throughout the entire website. I hope you find this checklist helpful. If so, make sure to follow EqualWeb for more web accessibility tips.